guys, this is Catherine
and Nicole
from Oosters Web and Marketing, and today we're going to talk to you about
something we don't know what that is yet. We are going to pick a topic off the mystery wall.
How to use your site to make money.
Ooh, money. We all like money.
Everyone likes money that you know, except sickos. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this, but I guess the main ones are probably ads, affiliate links, and selling your own stuff. In the past couple of months, we've had a number of customers who've come to us and talked to us about building an e-commerce store, which Nicole is, she's our web designer, so she's the one who builds that.
The e-commerce store is probably going to be the most direct way to make any money if you sell products. If you sell services, like you are a landscaping company or something, you can't sell that online, but you can add call to actions, which are small, short sayings, like buttons that say, shop now, see our services, book an appointment, things like that. And you can set all that up on your website online so that people are reaching out to you to schedule those services and appointments and things that do make you money.
There's another thing you could try having consultations. If you offer, like you said, a service, and you want to offer kind of like an entryway point for people to learn something from you and learn about what you have to offer, we can set you up with the ability to book a call on your website and have people actually pay you money on your site to do that. If you have something that you can teach people, you can get paid for your time.
And Catherine, you mentioned affiliate links. Do you want to talk about what those are?
This is probably one of my favorite things, especially for people who write blog content. If you're writing any kind of blog, you'll notice sometimes you just refer to another business or another program or something useful that you can use. Maybe you're talking about the type of camera gear that you record fun videos on, or like a home decor thing and something that saves storage in your house. I don't know, it could be anything. There's something called affiliate links. Affiliate links are third-party links that you set up with companies like big conglomerates like Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, and places like that. Basically, anytime you refer to a product, you hyperlink it in your post. It links to Amazon for people to purchase it, and then you get a percentage of the sale. This works really well on resource pages, referral pages on your site, blogs. The more traffic you have coming to your site, the more that you have visitors who are following you, the more revenue that you can be earning. And it's just a passive way to earn revenue, so why wouldn't you do it?
Yeah, free money. All in all, if you want to make money on your website, you need a website that is user-friendly, that's going to look good, that's going to keep them on your website.
The only other revenue stream that I think is important to mention is ads. So this is where Google takes up real estate on your website and will showcase different other brands outside to your viewers, and then you get a kickback on, if somebody views it, if somebody clicks it, things like that. The difference between that and an affiliate link is that with an affiliate link, you're selecting a product that you guarantee, that you like, that you say, yeah, check this out, definitely buy this. It could be anything, and it's most likely things that your viewers have looked at in the past. So if I was shopping and I was looking at a couple of shirts, all of a sudden Google might be promoting shirts to me on your website if you have Google Ads set up. So you get, a little extra money, but then it's kind of like, there's randomly shirts on my landscaping website.
Personally, from a design perspective, I think that having Google Ads that don't go with your branding, that don't go with your colors, that are just kind of plugged in, aren't necessarily the best way. The affiliate links is great because it's something you can incorporate.
Yep.
Google Ads are just kind of like plug and play. They're just there.
There's other ways you can make money. There's other revenue streams that you can develop. And so we're happy to discuss those with you whenever you're ready to start a website. So book a call with us and we can do a Zoom call and we can talk about it. So we'll get started from there. We'll do a free consultation. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was pretty good. I think that was pretty good.